Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Others conceive of the personality of Godhead residing within the body in the region of the heart and measuring only 8 inches, with 4 hands carrying a lotus, a wheel of a chariot, a conch shell and a club respectively. The all-pervading personality of Godhead resides as Paramatma in the heart of each and every living entity. The measurement of the localized personality of Godhead is estimated to expand from the ring finger to the end of the thumb, more or less 8 inches. The form of the Lord described in this verse with distribution of different symbols, beginning from the lower right hand up and down to the lower left hand with lotus, wheel of a chariot, conch shell and club respectively, is called Janadan, or the plenary portion of the Lord who controls the general mass. There are many other forms of the Lord with varied situations of the symbols of lotus, conch shell, etc., and they are differently known as Purushottama, Achyut, Narasimha, Trivikrama, Hrishikesh, Keshav, Madhav, Anirudh, Pradyam, Sankarshan, Sridhar, Vasudev, Damodar, Janardhan, Narayan, Hari, Padmanabha, Vaman, Madhusudan, Govind, Krishna, Vishnumurti, Adhokshaja and Upendra. These 24 forms of the localized personality of Godhead are worshipped in different parts of the planetary system, and in each system there is an incarnation of the Lord having a different Vaikuntha planet in the spiritual sky, which is called the Pavyam. There are many other hundreds and scores of different forms of the Lord, and each and every one of them has a particular planet in the spiritual sky, of which this material sky is only a fragmental offshoot. The Lord exists as Purush, or the male enjoyer, although there is no comparing him to any male form in the material world. But all such forms are Advait, non-different from one another, and each of them is eternally young. The young Lord with 4 hands is nicely decorated as described below.